Replacement doors. Mandeville is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Mandeville Door Services offer a wide range of options, including entry doors, patio doors, and custom doors, ensuring that every home has the perfect fit. Whether you're interested in door replacement or new door installation, Mandeville LA door installation experts are ready to assist. Energy-efficient doors in Mandeville are becoming increasingly popular as homeowners seek to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Entry replacement doors. Mandeville Services can provide you with the latest in energy-efficient technology, ensuring your home is both stylish and sustainable. For those looking to enhance their outdoor living space, Patio Door Services in Mandeville offer a variety of options, including sliding doors and French doors. Sliding replacement doors. Mandeville is a great way to update your home with modern, space-saving designs. French door installation in Mandeville adds a touch of elegance and allows for easy access to your patio or garden. Custom doors. Mandeville provide homeowners with the opportunity to create a unique entrance that reflects their personal style. Mandeville Door Customization Services offer a range of door materials, finishes, and styles to choose from. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door or a sleek, modern design, Mandeville door styles can accommodate your preferences. Door security in Mandeville is a top priority for homeowners looking to protect their families and belongings. Mandeville door locks and door hardware are available in various styles and levels of security, ensuring that your home is safe and secure. Door upgrades in Mandeville can include advanced locking systems and reinforced door frames for added peace of mind. Storm door replacement in Mandeville is essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Mandeville storm doors are designed to withstand strong winds and heavy rain, providing an additional layer of protection for your entry doors. Mandeville Door Maintenance Services can help keep your storm doors in top condition, ensuring they perform effectively year-round. Interior door services in Mandeville offer a variety of options for updating the look and feel of your home's interior. From classic wooden doors to modern glass designs, Mandeville interior doors can transform any room. Door replacement in Mandeville, LA is also available for those needing to fix damaged or malfunctioning doors, ensuring your home remains functional and stylish. Exterior door installation in Mandeville is a key service for homeowners looking to improve their home's exterior appearance and functionality. Mandeville exterior doors come in a range of styles and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect door for your home's architecture. Door frames in Mandeville are expertly installed to ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance.